Ayan. Kat, amo to siya akong titan lagi. Oh, dahil kita tutupin ka pa. Okay.
Pero sinasabi ko sa'yo eh.
No.
Mga manong, kablakan mo tayo family Garleho. Nagdandang ti programa dito is good. Ay, dito ay good. San Isidro, request ko man, Skyline Pigeon. Sandra, ato ay mga manong kanang nagdandang. Ay, thank you, Sandra.
Sandra, thank you, yes. Thank you very much, ading Sandra. Na umumla kumada na pitas nga sonata nga iti paulo na kat Sandra.
Ay.
One of my favorite song leta, Sandra by Barry Manilow. Magandang
hapon po mga kuya. Request ko nga po yung Walking in the Rain. Wait ko po mga kuya. Thanks po. It's me, Jebs. Ponang Alicia.
Oh, I'm walking in the rain.
Feels like I'm walking in the rain.
Kung gayam, kasaganda ito.
I found myself trying to wash away the pain.
Hindi ka mo.
Cause I need you to give me some shelter. Cause I'm feeling afraid.
Basa ka nga doon.
Walking in the rain.
Walking in the rain.
Pangamalam yung manong kabala ko man tinang pangamalam. Virginia palugod nga ayatag.
Okay.
It's me, Oliver.
And I think Venus Fifi Mendara says here, salamat sa greetings kuya ko na nakasagap ka nung amin sunod ti free wifi. Ibag pa ita Singapore, magnakalan ka na makita mga free wifi. Kaya dito yung Pilipinas. Diyos ko ti password na ka, nag-atitug mo. Sulitin mo 32 letters nga ikabil damot.
Apo.
Talaga.
Una yan.
Oren o dati software dito application nga dati panghack awan laptop ka na nagatidug mo. Anapit kita do mga pangablaan.
Eh, Skyline Pigeon, Turn Milos.
As requested. Okay, anati isong ba mo dito Turn Milos tata.
Lost and all alone.
Okay, sige nga rod karo ba? Ay 27 minutes before the hour of 3. At sige sulit-sulit yung dire-diretso apo nga English songs. Para kada kita gina na dahil kita mahilig itibilit dati nga sonata. Mahilig itibilit. Kung ano na isagana mong balong tatayan.
May papasulan na nga eh.
Eh kasi kamot adito tatay.
Uy. Ang papamasol din na.
Amo ko na isagana mo. Agi lyrics kita mo lyrics. Ay, agi lyrics ti insagana. Miso mo lagay mo dito. Skyline Pigeon.
Turn Milos.
Isumot lang. Ang ngarod, sino ti kaya mga pagititikaran dahil nga kanta no si Katita Magag. Awan? Okay, awan mo at sige ngarod din siya alatan.
Natin, apo, ti Turn Milos.
From Alta Jan. Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadow cast in gloom. In my eyes the mirrors of the world outside, thinking on the way that the wind can turn to tide, and the shadows turn from purple into gray, for just a skyline pigeon dreaming on the open, waiting for the day where he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you've left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly to the smell of new mown hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the badness of my days. I want to hear the beating bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open out the skates towards the sun. For just a skyline pigeon dreaming on the open, waiting for the day where he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you've left so very far behind.
Lost and all alone, I always thought that I can make it on my own. Since you left, I hardly make it through the day. My tears get in the way, and I need you back to stay. I wander through the night, search the world to find the words to make it right. All I want is just the way it used to be, with you here holding me, and I've got to make you see that I'm lost without your love. Life without you isn't worth the trouble of. I'm as helpless as a ship without a wind, a touch without a feel. I can't believe it's real. And someday I'll awake and find my heart would have to break. Lost without your love. Life without you isn't worth the trouble of. All I want is just the way it used to be. I need you here with me, oh darling, can't you see?
Makapag-emote ka naman, todo-todo.
If we had loved before,
Isangin na agad.
we can have it back once more.
Kaya na sa buwan, awanan, di ba mapaspasamag kanya na awanan na tayo ayat tayo ingingungutan na.
Para kini Sandra.
Yes, may sabi ako nga sunata para katagiti babae nga ginandap na tinagpakamatay. She's a great little housewife, but sometimes she talks like a fool. But she helps at the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school. She puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels the world's hanging between them, and she hangs by her words all her life. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it soon decided, oh, there might have been time to be me. For myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing. And that's how she knows that she missed. She's a sweetheart except when she's moody. Oh, it's hard to get through to her then. Depressed for a while when the youngest was born. Oh, but that happens now and again. She might think he'll drink with the housework, or when Michael's kept late at the shop, a martini or two before dinner. But she always knows when to stop. She says, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it soon decided, oh, there might have been time to be me. For myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. How they used to hold hands at the movies, now it's seldom if ever they go. Once they paid for the theater and park in the car, oh, there's no money left for the show. She was doing the dishes when a glass fell and broke on the tile, and she cut her wrist quite by mistake. It was real touch and go for a while. She said, oh God, I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it soon decided, oh, there might have been time to be me. For myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing. That's how she knows that she missed. Napanamon dyan, Mar. Sige, samaron nun ni, oh, magan.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closed and hearts are never broken, and times were frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closed and hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16. Next in your heart, but where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I'll remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whispers through the phone.